Comics #1 hit the stands, forever changing the face of graphic fiction. 75 years later, and the word Marvel has become synonymous with the highest quality of entertainment worldwide. I'm Marvel Editor-in-Chief Axel Alonso, inviting you to join us all year long, celebrating the 75th anniversary of Marvel by exploring its rich history, looking decade by decade at the characters, creators, and events that have defined the House of Ideas. From comics, to movies, to TV, to video games, to toys and beyond, we will cover it all. Keep checking back into marvel.com/75 as the celebration unfolds, with exclusive videos, in-depth podcasts, exciting galleries, and much more, featuring Captain America, the Fantastic Four, the Hulk, Spider-Man, Thor, the Avengers, Iron Man, the X-Men, Daredevil, the Black Panther, the Punisher, Luke Cage, the Guardians of the Galaxy, Wolverine, Elektra, Deadpool, Jessica Jones, and the rest of the Marvel Universe. Hear from the men and women responsible for creating the Marvel Universe, as well as experts, celebrities, and even you, as we ask for feedback and opinions. So join the party and be part of the 75th anniversary of Marvel, your universe.